Okay, hi and welcome. Well, I started these potato plants late, but I'm gonna remove all of these just to give the comfrey some breathing room because they've taken over. That wasn't the original plan. And I just want to see if we have anything here. So normally when they are flowering, it is said that the potatoes are ready. So we'll see what we have here today. So I'm going to remove these vines, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them on the compost, in the compost pile, and I'll see if I get anything today. So let's see if we get anything. So these looks like so I'm just going to throw them over there. So as I said, we started very late. Oops. So, I mean, it's something, but I'm sure if we had started earlier, we would have been able to. Oh wow, look at this one. Get some good harvest.
Harvest?
Wow, Caleb, look at this.
Huh?
So, I'm excited about this, Caleb.
Me too, like you.
Uh-huh. Look at this, Caleb. Oops,
What happened?
I broke it. Wow.
Wow. It's
So-
over there.
We're gonna make some ducana.
Yeah, that's better. Where find that?
Hmm?
Where find it?
I'm trying to find more potatoes. All right, let's see.
Let's see. Some more potatoes.
All right, so continuing with the harvest. So here's some more. All these are from one branch. So as I said, they could be bigger, but I should be able to make some ducana with these. I'm gonna let them cure in the greenhouse, and then I'll be using them for the ducana. Let's see whatever we have. All right, so look at this. This is a 4x4 area. So I really don't want to use the shovel as I mentioned, but at the same time, the soil kind of clumped together. So, oh, so not bad. And this is just a 4x4 area. Okay. Oh, wow, look at this. So it's much more than I thought. I didn't expect this much. Cut the potatoes.
How do you cut it, Dad? How do you cut it, Daddy? Daddy?
Yes.
How do you cut the tomatoes? Over here.
So this is the purple sweet potato. Now there's a problem with this soil, and this wasn't my first option, but what happened is these are new raised beds, and my original source, they were out of soil, and so I had to settle for this one. But the issue is it clumps. So what I may have to do is I may need to add some perlite, and this would possibly help with freeing up the soil. One of the things with planting potatoes is you want the soil that is rich, that is very loose and is rich in organic matter, but you don't want the soil to be so clumped up that they will have to expend a lot of energy to grow. So you can see how these are all these different shapes, because they had to go through all of that. And so a lot of the energy that they could have used to grow, to produce larger potatoes, went into trying to grow through the soil. So that's the issue with this soil. Okay, more seeds. All right, look at this one. Despite the obstacles, the sweet potatoes are curing, and as I mentioned, the hoop house is better, being it just depends on the day. But you know, if it's on a chilly day, it's better to have it in the hoop house where the temperature would be higher. But also I just started it off in the garage instead, so I will have this process, keep this process going for 2 weeks before we actually use the sweet potatoes. So we thank you for watching. All comments, suggestions are welcome, and thank you for subscribing to the Petersville Farm channel. Thank you.